You're watching NappyCast by Jason Nappy Weather. It is sunny in Caribou now, but the clouds on the way and the snow. I'm tracking the snowstorm for the whole state. The latest snow amounts and forecasts all coming in the next few minutes. But first, I thank you to our sponsor today, Wakeham Lawn Care. Proudly serving Scarborough to the county bunks with 50 years experience. With attention to detail, we have options for everyone. Call 899-8691 for a free quote today. Thank you for being our sponsor. Appreciate that. Wakeham Lawn Care. We'll get into the forecast in just a second. I want to show you what's going on right now in southern Maine where it's overcast. Snow not here yet, but it's knocking on the door. And rain too. We're going to have rain mix in at the coast and inland. This is a coastal hugger track of a storm, okay? So we're definitely going to see things change. It's not going to be a pure snowstorm except for the mountains, except for way up in the county, right? It's just not going to be a storm that's going to be light and fluffy either. This is going to be a storm that's definitely going to be mixing for a good chunk of the state. Here's radar right now, and the storm has just begun to take shape here. With low pressure swinging through the Great Lakes, we're going to form an area of low pressure. That's going to form right over New York City, Long Island. It's going to be a coastal hugger track, okay? So the storm, eventually you're going to see low pressure form and move right up the Maine coastline and throw that moisture and throw that wind off the ocean into Maine, and that's going to mean warming up. So right now it's 30 degrees along the coastline, but see 37 degrees off the coastline, 38 there from that buoy, 31, 32 here, head up the Midcoast and Casco Bay. So eventually, these warmer temperatures are going to mean that things are going to be warming up along the coastline, especially, okay? So that is going to feature a storm that is going to change over anytime you have that happening in the forecast. So be prepared for a changeover, and it is March, it's late March, so anytime you have that, you're going to have a tough time getting snow to stick on surfaces middle of the day, especially on things that are paved, right? So here's the look at the cloud cover where in the Caribou, you can see where it's sunny in Bangor, you see the clouds are coming in, and then it is pretty much cloudy everywhere else. Eastport, likely looking to the west in Eastport, you've got cloud cover. Looking to the east, you don't have the cloud cover, right? So you've got a lot of sunshine there. So let's go ahead now and show you what's going on as far as the forecast in the hour by hour so you can plan your day. So during the day, the snow comes in from the west here. There's rain and snow showers through the lunchtime hour. It changes over to snow. It's a little bit heavy and wet. The southern coast misses out on this for the most part, maybe some slush, but the storm moves through tonight, and it's over by Tuesday morning, but well before you wake up. There's some snow showers up in the county, in the midnight, 1, 2 o'clock, but then it's over, and then it's done on Tuesday for the most part. Things begin to wrap up. So here's a look at my forecast. I've got 2 to 4 inches for the western foothills. Heading up towards the Katahdin region, it jumps to 4 to 6. Heading down east, it's only up to 2 inches for Casco Bay, Midcoast, down to the southern coast where it's going to be closer to that, especially southern coast, closer to like 0. Western mountains, you're flirting with 2 to 4. You're flirting with up to 2. Boundary Plateau. Okay, so that's the snowfall right now. Portland, Lewiston, Auburn, Eastport, you see the clouds are rolling in, and there. Only Caribou holding on to that sky on the clear side. So the forecast is snow and rain today. It's a messy evening commute, I would say farther away from the southern coast where it'll be just, light rain showers ending. And then typical spring in Maine. We've got mud season going on. The temperatures are going to be on the cooler side, 40s, a couple 50s, but that's about it. Snow and rain today. Mountains 31, so you're below freezing all day, so you're going to stay snow. Inland 37, coast 40, so you're going to get that mix going on with the temperatures getting above freezing by several degrees and that wind coming in off the ocean. Rain and snow showers end tonight from west to east. In Eastport and Calais and Caribou, it's going to take longer for that to end. Temperatures are going to be below freezing. I don't anticipate a big widespread black ice situation, but with temperatures creeping down below freezing, certainly watch out for some slick spots tonight. For the Mariners today, small craft is up. Same thing tomorrow as seas are coming down from 8 to 6 feet down east and are 4 to 5 elsewhere. For the mountains the next 10 days, You've got light snow Tuesday, some snow showers Wednesday. This is not a big deal. Thursday we clear out briefly, and then Friday some more snow showers. So this is not going to be big time accumulation, but good thing for the ski resorts because they can keep making snow. Temperatures at night are cold enough, and even during the day a couple of days. But really for the most part, they'll be getting the snow machines going at night. Spring snow looks pretty good. And then we're a little bit unsettled for Sunday into Monday and into next week. For inland, you see here 48 degrees tomorrow. So, yeah, it's a few showers on the backside. This system pulls away. We get a little weak clipper to come through into Wednesday with some rain showers. That's all rain. We clear out briefly Thursday, Friday, but we're mid-40s, so definitely going to see mud season continue. Sunday, it's a wintry mix. This is light stuff. This is not a big storm at all. Monday, some more precip with that one, but at 50 degrees, you are all rain, unless something drastically changes right now with the trend. For the coast, we clear out Tuesday, partly cloudy, almost 50, a few rain showers on Wednesday, and then we clear out for the rest of the week. The weekend, it's a wintry mix Sunday, but once again, this is light. This is not a big deal. And then Monday, a little bit of heavier precip with 50 degrees. So we'll see what the trends are for that. Right now, I don't anticipate that being a big, widespread, wintry mix of a storm here. So I thank you for watching NappyCast.com and Jason Nappy Weather. That's where you can find the latest updates for local Maine weather.